Lizzie actually has the capability of importing any comma delimited file or tab delimited file that you can get from pretty much any web store and import it directly into our web store interface module. Now in this video I'm going to go through just the basics of how to set something like this up, but it's fairly straightforward. Now if you happen to use 3D Cart or ARI or Miva Merchant, or and we're adding more and more support for additional web stores into the system, these items are already set up and configured by default, so there's not a whole lot that you have to do to get them to work. Now with respect to a vendor that we don't have in here, for example, let's say that we added ABC Carts as an example, and we tell the system that we're going to be importing a comma delimited file. The first line of the file is a header and we want to skip it, and then we're going to add that item to our list. Now in order to tell Lizzie specifically where the data is on each of the columns in that file, what we're going to do is we're going to select that particular file here with the radio button. We're going to drag an example of a web store order from that vendor onto this box. Lizzie will then populate a list of all the fields that it found in that file and then provide you with a drop down list of things that it could match. So you basically just go down, look at the data, and pick each of the fields that those things match, and Lizzie will then save that information so that when you import the file, it knows where all of the data is inside of the file so that it can populate its web store order.